Good morning, children. Children, welcome back to the class after the first vacation, children. Children, here is a notice for you. Recently, 3-4 days back, the government of Telangana has announced the revised syllabus for the academic year 2020-2021, children. As a part of the syllabus, okay, the SCERT, the State Council of Education and Research and Training of Telangana State, has reduced 29% of the syllabus, children. Of these, okay, from the 12 chapters what you are having for the in the textbook, out of those 4 chapters have been excluded, children. And from those 4 chapters you are having from those 4 chapters you are having some certain topics that are there for the activity and project based, but whereas they are not for the examination pattern, children. For the examination pattern they won't ask for the examination pattern, but whereas they are only asked for the activity and the project based, children. Therefore now I'll give a clarity of the syllabus what you are having for the examination pattern, and in the same way whatever the syllabus that you are having for the project and activity based, children. Okay, as a note of the 12 chapters, I will write the first, the whatever the chapters that are there for the examination pattern, children. Okay, that is force, friction, synthetic fibers and plastics, okay, reflection of light, at plane surfaces, okay, sound, electric conductivity of liquids, electric conductivity of liquids, some natural phenomena, and stars and solar system. Children, these are the 8 topics that are there for the examination pattern, from this class, children. That is 4th chapter, friction, synthetic fibers and plastic, reflection of light at plane surfaces, sound, electric conductivity of liquids, some natural phenomena, stars and solar system, children. And from this already we completed 5 chapters. That is force is completed, friction completed, synthetic fibers and plastic only little part is there, we will be completing that one. Reflection of light at plane surfaces, children, and sound, children. Okay, up to 5 chapters completed, only we are having remaining 3 chapters. Okay, children. Right, I think you got an idea about the syllabus whatever that is there for the examination pattern, children. These are the 8 chapters that are there for the examination pattern. Okay, children. Okay, right. Next, children, I will give a note of the syllabus whatever that is not there, but that is there for the project and activity based, children. Okay, right. You should make a note of all these 8 chapters. In the same way, you should make a note of the chapters that are there for the activity and project based, children. and make a note of this one in your notebooks. Compulsory. Okay, right. Here okay children, right, from this chapter syllabus recommended for activity or project based. Okay, right. Fourth chapter children, metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. From this chapter, chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Chemical properties of metals and non-metals, and reactivity of metals. Reactivity of metals. Okay, these are the only two topics. These are the only two topics that you are having for the project and activity based from this chapter. Okay, next coming to the next chapter, that is coal and petroleum. Next chapter is coal and petroleum children. Coal and petroleum. From these, the topics that are there for the activity based children is introduction, okay, sources of materials, that is exhaustible and inexhaustible resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible resources, coal, petroleum and natural gas, as fuels. Okay, coal, petroleum, natural gas as fuels. Some petrochemical products, okay, natural gas and petrochemicals, natural gas and petrochemicals, versatile nature of coal and petroleum, versatile nature of coal and petroleum, okay, conversing coal and petroleum, okay, misuse of energy resources and consequences, misuse of energy resources and consequences. These are the topics that you are there for the activity and project based from this chapter. Okay, that is introduction, sources of materials, that is exhaustible and inexhaustible resources, coal, petroleum and natural gas as fuels, some petroleum products, natural gas and petrochemicals, versatile nature of coal and petroleum, conversing the coal and petroleum, and misuse of energy resources and the consequences. Okay, next we are having the combustion fuels and flames. Next topic is combustion fuels and flame. Combustion fuels and flame. Okay, right. Combustion fuels and flame. From this we are having introduction. Okay, what is needed for the process of combustion? What is needed for the process of combustion? What is needed for the process of combustion? Okay, ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. Okay, types of combustion. Types of combustion. Fuels, fire control, flame, structure of flame. Structure of flame. These are the topics that you are there. That is there for the activity and project based from this chapter. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. One more topic is stars and solar system. Okay. Stars and solar system. Stars and solar system. Okay, children, from this introduction, observing shadow length sundial, observing shadow length, and sundial. Observing the shadow length and sundial and solar eclipse, the phases of moon, the phases of moon, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. Knowing something about star, know something about stars. Okay, solar system, solar system, solar system. Okay, how people know Earth is spherical? how people know Earth is spherical. Earth is spherical. Spherical. Okay. How people know Earth is spherical. Earth rotates on its axis. Earth rotates on its own axis and artificial satellites. Artificial satellites. These are the topics that you are having for the project and activity based from this chapter children. Okay, that is from the chapter stars and solar system, introduction, observing the shadow length, what is sundial, the phases of the moon, what is solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, knowing something about the stars, the solar system, how people know Earth is spherical, the rotation of on its own axis, that is the rotation of the Earth, and the artificial satellites. Okay, artificial satellites. These are the topics that you are there, that is there for the activity and project based from this chapter of 8th class. Okay children, therefore make a note of all these children, and in the WhatsApp group also I'll send a copy of this syllabus, whatever that is recommended for the activity and project based children. Okay, make a note of this, and according to this you should follow and prepare for the examination purpose children. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.